Hello everyone and welcome back to Dr. Sourav's classes. So today we are entering the Junior International Logic Olympiad JILO. Now don't let the name scare you. This is not just an examination. It's a global battleground where the students from dozens of the countries compete to see who has the sharpest mind. It's like the Olympics, you can say. But instead of running 100 meters, we are running mental marathons without leaving our chairs. Okay, so look at the screen. We have got 5 students, right? Albert, Bob, Kelvin, Dinesh and Ehsan. Just give me a second. Yeah, Albert, Bob, Kelvin, Dinesh and Ishan. Okay, and they took a test on animals. Now one of them is a genius who got 100% and one of them, bless their heart, got a zero. Okay, so they could not find a giraffe in a zoo and the other stuck in the middle, and our job, find the genius. Okay. Okay, so give me a second. Let me make some space to write. Okay. Now, in this type of logic puzzles, if we sum up the total number of the correct answers, like 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0, we know exactly how many correct marks are hidden in the table. So, this is 11, right? So there are exactly 11 correct marks spread across the table, and if we find more or less, we have messed up. Okay, now look at Albert and Bob. So they have the same answer for question number 1, 2 and 5, right? So if Albert is the genius 5 out of 5, then Bob would have at least 3 out of 5. So let's hold that thought. Okay, look at Ishan. If Albert is genius, let's see what Ishan got. For the question number 1, Albert says turtle and Ishan says giraffe. Wrong. For the question number 2, Albert says monkey and Ishan says rhino. Wrong. For the question number 3, Albert says horse and Ishan says monkey. Wrong. And for the 4, Albert says rhino and Ishan says horse. This is also wrong. And Q5, Albert says giraffe and Ishan says turtle. So this is also wrong. Okay. So if Albert is 5 out of 5, then Ishan is 0 out of 5, right? So this fits our one student got 0 rule perfectly. Okay, so if Albert's answer are the master key, let's grade the others. Albert is 5, he is the genius. Ishan, he is 0. Okay, and for Bob, Q1 is right, Q2 is right, Q3 is wrong, and Q4 is wrong, and Q5 is right. Okay, for Kelvin, Q1 wrong, Q2 wrong, Q3 wrong, Q4 wrong, and Q5 wrong. Wait, Q4 is monkey. So let's check. If Albert is right, Kelvin got 0, but we already have a 0. Wait, let's check Dinesh. Okay. So Dinesh got 5. Okay. Ishan, giraffe no, rhino no, monkey no, horse no, turtle no. So 0. Albert, turtle yes, monkey no, horse no, rhino no, giraffe yes. So this is 2. Bob, turtle yes, monkey no, rhino yes, horse no, giraffe yes. So this is 3. And for Kelvin, giraffe no, horse yes, rhino yes, monkey yes, turtle no. So this is also 3. Error. We need someone to have 1 correct. Okay. So in this scenario, we have 2 people with 3. So back to the board. Let's try the only one left who looks like a genius, Bob. Bob is 5 out of 5. Turtle, monkey, rhino, horse, giraffe. So Bob is the king here. Now Albert. Turtle yes, monkey yes, horse no, rhino no, giraffe yes. So 3. Dinesh. Turtle yes, horse no, rhino yes, monkey no, giraffe yes. 3. Wait, another 3. So no. Let's try Albert again. Okay. So Albert is 5. Turtle, monkey, horse, rhino, giraffe. Bob is 3. Right, turt, monk and giraffe. Ishan is 0. And Dinesh is 3. Wait, still 2 3s. No, look at Kelvin. If Kelvin is 5, like giraffe, horse, rhino, monkey and turtle. Let's check Kelvin. Okay. Kelvin is 5. Then Dinesh. Dinesh, turtle no, horse yes, rhino yes, monkey yes, giraffe no. So it's 3. Ishan. Giraffe yes, rhino no, monkey no, horse no, turtle yes. So 2. Bob. So turtle no, monkey no, rhino yes, horse no, giraffe no. 1. And Albert. Turtle no, monkey no, horse no, rhinoceros no, giraffe no. So 0. Yes, we have a winner. Kelvin 5, 3 Dinesh, 2 Ishan and 1 Bob and 0 Albert. Every single rule is satisfied over here. So Kelvin is our secret animal expert. Okay. He got 5 out of 5. Okay. So in logic, the loudest person, Albert, is not always the right one. Okay. Sometimes the person with the most different answers is the one who actually knows what a horse looks like. Okay. So always look for the inverse. Albert and Kelvin were almost exact opposites. So when you find 2 people who disagree on everything, one of them is usually the genius and the other is, well, like Albert, you can say. Okay. So this is an elimination puzzle. Okay. So this is not about finding the right answer immediately. It's about killing off the impossible answers until only the truth remains. Okay. And if I talk about the mutually exclusive set, in this puzzle, Albert and Kelvin are almost perfectly mutually exclusive. They have no answers in common except for the fact that they both exist. Okay. So we just solve a nice, very nice question from the Junior International Logic Olympiad. Okay. So in the next session, we will solve another question of this examination. So stay tuned. Bye-bye.